Last night I made this most delicious recipe and I'm sharing it on my blog. So go on over to my website and check it out and look at them. It's a beautiful capsicum and it's full of, oh yummy, so yummy. It's taking all my energy not to pop this into my mouth, but it's full of quinoa, corn, red capsicum and mushrooms, and all of those things are full of niacin. And niacin is great for many reasons, and one of them is it helps with getting rid of the what's called bad cholesterol, which is the LDL cholesterol, and it helps the HDL cholesterol transport that out of the body. And also I'm learning at the moment in my nutrition course that niacin also helps with the breakdown and absorption of alcohol, which is not a good thing, but it just shows that we do need niacin in our diet. So while these won't help you with your alcohol consumption over Christmas, they might make you feel good that you're eating some good food while you're drinking alcohol. And of course food helps with the absorption of alcohol. So yeah, niacin is brilliant, and these little babies are full of niacin. So check out my recipe. Go over to my website www.veets.com.au and please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye everyone.